Do you want to hear some really good news? I'll give you some really good news. The really good news is that for the next few days, you won't have to watch a long video of me talking and talking and talking. For the next few days, you're going to be doing exactly what we did yesterday with different post-it notes that you have. Okay? So you don't need a brand new lesson. You just need some time. So why would I talk and take up your time? I'm not going to. Let me show you your form for today, and then I'm out of here, and it's up to you. Again, you're going to type your name. You've probably already done that if you're watching this video by now. You're going to give me the title of your second post-it. We did the first one yesterday. You're going to take the bullet points on the back of your second post-it and create one paragraph that goes with that post-it, just like you did yesterday. Each bullet point should get its own sentence or more than one sentence. Okay? Tell the story. I'm not counting sentences. Tell the story. Once you finish typing the paragraph, you're going to follow the same instructions you had yesterday or for the last lesson. Make sure all the words that are the word I is capital I. Make sure that each sentence starts with a capital letter. Make sure that each sentence ends with a punctuation mark. Make sure that you have right-clicked on every word that came out with a red squiggly line underneath it so you can make sure all your words are spelled correctly. And then there's going to be a special bonus question for those of you who are watching the video. Um, you should know that my favorite color is purple. I'm just going to throw that out there. Okay, then you're going to go to the next section of this and you're going to do the same thing, but now you're going to do paragraph 3. So you're going to take your third post-it note and this is the event that happens third when you're telling your story chronologically. You're going to give me the title of the post-it note. You're going to turn that post-it note over, get those bullet points, write at least one sentence with each bullet point. Tell me the story of what happened in that picture that you drew. And you're going to do it here. Then you're going to check for the word I, check for capital letters, check for punctuation. You are going to check and fix all the spelling, and you're going to answer those questions. And then you're going to answer one final bonus question. And that's it. I'm asking you to write 2 paragraphs today. 2 paragraphs. That is all. That is tiny. Um, don't put it off because here's what's going to happen. If you decide, I don't want to write today, and I know some of you are thinking that, that's fine. But today I'm asking you to write 2 paragraphs. And tomorrow I'm going to ask you to write 2 paragraphs. And if you don't do that today, then tomorrow you're going to have to write 4. And the next day when I ask you to write another paragraph, you're going to be behind. And instead of having to write just 1, you're going to write 5. I'm not a math teacher. But to me, it seems like writing 2 paragraphs at one time might be a bit easier than writing 5 paragraphs at one time. Agreed? So just do it. I'm giving you all of class time to listen to read aloud, complete your bell ringer, and write 2 measly paragraphs. That's it. Got it? There will be a final bonus question on this that really you're going to have to watch. You're going to have to watch this video to answer it. So I'm going to tell you that my favorite number is the number 42. It might be important. It's the answer to the question that my favorite number is 42. That's all you need to know. Now get to work. See, under 4 minutes. I did not waste your time. You're welcome. If you need me, email me.